Talk about tab view in SwiftUI. Let's talk about tab view in SwiftUI. A view that switches tab view in SwiftUI. A view that switches between multiple child views using interface using interactive user interface element So SwiftUI tab view doubles up as the equivalent to a UI page view controller. So letting us swipe through the multiple screen, of content with paging dots of the two bottom of the show user where they are to achieve the page style, and we're gonna attach on this tab view style modifier. You can use a tab view to your tab view passing in page. So we're gonna create on this page view. So command N, create a SwiftUI view. This is a page view example. Create on this SwiftUI view page view example. We're gonna create on this 3 UI view. First, suppose this is a first is A. We're gonna create on this view, and this is a text change. This is a screen. Suppose this is a screen. We're gonna apply this font title and color. This is the red color, and font weight. This is the bold. We're gonna apply this font weight bold on this text. Command. This is the A screen, and command and we're gonna create on this. This is the B screen. Suppose which have a B screen, and we're gonna assign on this text. This is the B screen. This is the B screen. Which have B screen. We're gonna apply this font. Suppose this is the title and weight. This is the thin, and inherit on this blue color. Set on this B screen, and command we're gonna create on this C screen. Suppose which have a C screen. So this is a C screen. We're gonna apply this font. Suppose this is the title and ultra light. We're gonna apply this yellow color, and we can resume on this C class. So this is a C class. We're gonna apply this. Suppose not yellow color. This is a purple color. We're gonna create on this 3 class. First is 3 view. We're gonna create on this 3 view, A, B, and C. Or is a page view example. We're gonna create in page view. We're gonna create on this tab view. Tab view. So firstly, we will discuss about tab view. A view that switches between multiple child views using interactive user interface element. So first is A. We're gonna create on this instance. Second is B. Our create on this is third is C. We're gonna create on this instance. So this is the A screen. We're gonna apply this tab view style. Page tab view style. We're gonna apply this. Suppose page tab view style. This is a we can do this. We're gonna create on this tab view style, and we're gonna apply on this page tab view style. Page tab view style. We're gonna create this instance page tab view style. We're gonna not apply, and this is the tab view style. Tab view. So we're gonna apply this. Suppose tab view style. We're gonna apply this. Suppose this is the page tab view style. Tab view style. So this is a page. We're gonna apply this page tab view style. Page tabViewStyle. We will apply this page tabViewStyle, and we can run on this application. This is a initial view controller. Suppose page view example. We're gonna set on this shift content page view example. Then we can run on this application. So we can swipe on this screen. First is A screen, second is B screen, third is C screen. We're gonna apply this three screen and we can run on this state. So page tab view style A, B and C, which have, suppose we're gonna create on this dot background color dot dot. We can create on this color dot green color. When apply on this color, we can run on this application. So this is a, we can show on this white tab view color. This is a screen, B screen and C screen. So this is a tab view color. We can assign on this our screen. That suppose we can create on this, we can create another screen, suppose which have a label in shift UI, label in shift UI. We're gonna create the instance. Suppose this is the, here we can swiping date picker. So we can create on this instance on this neuromorphic design. Neuromorphic design create on this tab. We can run on this, resume on this app. So tab view definition simply is a view that switches between multiple child views using interactive user interface. We can run on this application and we can fill on this is a screen, B screen and C screen and shift UI box, and this is a neuromorphic design. You can use of screen. We can change this colors on this page dot. Suppose we can send on this page color dot background dot. We can set on check on this page tab view color, page tab view style color. So we can set on this property name, relevance, systematic and path. We can set on this. So we can define on this shift UI. So background color, this suppose background color is blue. So this is the background, A screen, B screen and C screen and shift UI book, and we can use of another statements. So this is a yellow color. Suppose we can create on this yellow, we can resume on this application, run on this application. A screen, B screen, C screen. This is the resume on this UI. We can resume. So thank you for watching this video. We can use of enjoy tab view. Shift UI tab view double up as the equivalent to UI page view controller. So thank you for watching this video. We can use of tab view.